Good day everyone! Today nandito tayo sa Olivares Homes in Southwoods. So this is located from Southwoods Exit and Southwoods Mall. So very accessible from your family needs. Ang dami ng establishment dito within the Olivares Homes. Today we're going to visit the Ellie model, which is a single detached with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and baths, and carport. So let's see kung ano po makikita natin dito kay Ellie model na future home mo. So ayan, we're here in front of the Ellie model na single detached. For now, we have 2 available units only. So if you're looking for single detached na near Southwoods or near Manila, so this is the best time na ma-avail mo ang dream home mo. In front of our Ellie model, so bubungad sa atin yung carport. So dito, very secured na yung carport mo, nakasemento na siya upon turnover. So yan. Then dito, kung mahilig po tayong maghalaman, so this is provision for our garden. Then since single detached siya, so we have spaces sa all sides ng ating unit or ang ating Ellie. So dito, approximately we have 2 meters on the side. Then on this side, yeah, we have our sliding door na pwede kang mag-build dito ng ating lanay. So you can put a small chair and table para sa ating if you want to relax outside, then pwede mo rin itong gawing garden, extension ng garden mo sa unahan. Then, at the back of our Ellie, so we have also setback of 2 meters din. Ito po, ayan. So, kung nagpa-plan ka na i-extend yung Ellie mo, ilipat mo yung dirty kitchen, then at the same time, you want to build a laundry area. So, very ideal tong part na to. Then, on this side, so ayan, we still have setback dito sa side ng ating Ellie. Then, kung mapansin nyo, may door siya, may wooden door siya. So, very accessible din siya. So, it's up to you kung paano mo siya i-enhance pa. Kung ito yung gusto mong gawing relaxation outside your house or yung kabilang pinakita ko kanina. Then, at the same time, ayan, dito, pwede mo ring i-convert into garden if you want. Then going back, balik po tayo dito. So pasok na po tayo sa unit natin. So ayan. So ito po yung ating door. Then sa side ng door, we also have our window na para mag-pass through yung natural light at the same time yung ating hangin. Pwede nyo po siyang buksan. So pasok na po tayo. So upon entering, guys, so bubungad sa atin ang ating living area. So dito sa living area, pwede tayo mag-relax, you can accept your visitors, and at the same time, pwede po tayo, you can use this space para po sa ating bonding moment, so bonding area ng ating family. Then adjacent to that is we have our dining area. So you can set, since this is an open plan, so, pwede mo siyang iset kung paano mo i-arrange yung unit mo o yung bahay mo dito. So, ayan. Then, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na sliding door natin na passing on the one side of our unit. Ayan. So, ayan. Pwede ka rin, again, pwede ka maglagay dyan ng small table and chairs para kung ayaw mo sa loob, you want to stay outside. So, that's better. Then, dito, we have our kitchen area. So, on our kitchen area, naka-granite na po siya. So, yan na po yung marireceive nyo upon turnover. With base cabinet, then we have our hanging cabinet here. Then, we also have our toilet and bath. Unfortunately, nakalock po yung toilet and bath natin. Then, ito kung mapansin yung door dito. So, yan po yung yung access natin kanina na pinakita ko na setback din on the other side of our unit. Then, ayan. So, ito yung sa baba nung ating stairs. So, bigyan lang natin ng idea. So, ito yung ginawa nila. So, naglagay sila dito ng mga cabinets. So, you can maximize that space. Okay? Then, by the way, this is a model unit. So, ayan, if you notice, so may mga, may mga additional furniture. But upon turnover, all the furnitures are not included. Okay? So, before we go upstairs, so pakita ko lang yung tiles natin. So, yung tiles natin is 60 by 60 po. Okay? So, we're done on the first floor. Tingnan natin yung second floor kung ano naman yung makikita natin. But, we have there is one toilet and bath and 3 bedrooms. So, let's go. Then, ito po yung ating window sa may harapan. We have ceramic tiles dito sa first floor. Sa second floor naman is yung staircase natin and yung floor on the second floor have vinyl. So, yan, wooden design siya. Then, naka metal and wood handrail style. So, pagpasok natin, we have our master's bedroom. So, ito po yung ating master's bedroom. Ayan. Then, before we proceed with the other 2 bedrooms, so let's see, ito po yung ating toilet and bath. So, very comfortable kung may toilet and bath tayo sa taas. Bakit? So, kung we need to go to CR or to our comfort room is no need na tayong bumaba. Ayan. So, ito included na yung natin, yung glass enclosure. Ayan, meron tayo dito. Then, ito na rin po yung ating lavatory and our toilet. Then, dito, ayan, we also have our window. So, sliding window po siya lahat, except for dun sa may entrance. Okay? Then, we have here another bedroom. Ayan, kung may kids po tayo. So, ito po yung ating bedroom. Then, dito, naglagay sila ng cabinet. Ayan. It's made of wood. Pero glass yung unahan. Or yung ating door. So, this one, if meron tayong baby na gusto nyo naka-set aside sa atin, pero usually, or basically, pag may mga babies tayo, gusto natin kasama natin sa master's bedroom. But anyway, ayan, ito po siya. But still, kung excess naman yung bedroom natin, you can convert this into office or if you're work from home. So this space is very ideal. Then lastly, we have we still have door here. So sa tingin nyo, ano kaya siya? So let's see. So ayan. So we still have terrace here or veranda na you can still use kung ayaw mo sa babang mag-relax. So pwede ka rin ditong mag-relax. Ayan. So ayun lang po. So if you like this Ellie model as your dream home, don't forget to message me on my Viber, WhatsApp, and FB page. So, my number on WhatsApp is 0956-618-6967. Or you can also message me on my FB page, Bahay for One. This is Jun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!